Okay, after you insert all of the animation in a previous lesson, then you have to tell the software that I import that animation. Um, if you go to close them, if you go to node-based system of the animation, you can see this is a subscene that I told it before. It's create 3D model and the skeleton of the object. And all of this is an animation: fall, jump, run, walk. And we have to connect them after that to the keyboard or mobile movement with brainbox. So we insert them and then we delete them just from node-based because we want to the brainbox create these nodes from scratch. So make sure that you delete them. Just start. Don't worry about them. If you go to the 3D world, you see our objects will be disappear. Don't worry about that. Close all of these things and go to the add brainbox. Animated platform. If you're going most over that, you can see if you want to create such a these games, you have to tell the software you can navigate with the keyboard in all direction, jumping and running. So if you click it, everything is done. If you go to the brain box, if the mind map, you can see it automatically created for that with a lot of complex nodes. That all of the animation, you can see we delete this part to the software created from scratch. And if you select them, you have to assign all of this animation separately to them, and you can choose from here, or you can completely go to the 3D world and doing that. First, we have to assign which 3D model do you want to create that. Or it's better saying this is a subscene, and which model do you want to assign this, because we delete them. Okay, you from the here or from here the scene, you have to tell the software edit please this animation, this model ideal that we the every ideal, the first 3D model that we insert, and after that we insert other FX, just add the animation of them. Okay, I will tell assign. Okay, this our 3D model will be appear again, and the brain box animated platform understand it. And then you have to tell this brain box that the ideal animation set to the ideal animation, walk animation to walk. We inserted them before to the previous lesson. You can refer to that. Run, run. Before inserting your animation, please rename that you can better understanding there. Falling, fall, jumping, jump, dying, death. And that's it. And then it understand this walks. And after that, we have to connect these to keyboards and control. In a movement parameter, you have walk acceleration. You can change it, maximum walk speed or run acceleration. Changes these numbers to understand the any number that you want. For example, the run speed. And the important thing is jump force in a y direction. It's jumping in a y direction. And we will change in the next lesson, because after this, we need to what was that? We need to add another brain box called keyboard control, that we connect these animations, this animation node to keyboard control. And after that, we are going to, you can close it to close from here to bring back to settings. This is the animate platform. And you can change these settings, very settings. Set facing direction, it means it's always face to the camera. Uh, not face to camera. It means it's just facing to that direction that you want. For example, it's facing to the camera, and you tell the software comes back. If it is turned off, it's always face to the camera. But it's turned on, it's come back and facing to the direction of that you want. You see that? Okay, prism movements. You see that in next lesson. Okay, that's it, and it has lots of settings.